Welcome to new video. So in this video, we are learn how we can convert our database to our Java application. So we use JDBC for connecting the Java file to our database, JDBC connector. So first of all, I share my screen, and after that, so we need a connector for the connecting our database to Java application. So you can write this website dev.mysql.com downloads connector/j. This link is also available in description. You can check. So after that, guys, this is the version of the connector. Okay. So 8.0.32, and one thing you remember, like our MySQL version is also same as the our JDBC connector 8.0.32, and the connector is also same. After that, you can select operating system from here. So I download for the platform independent. So you can choose anyone. So this is tar-zip and this is zip file. So when you click on downloads, then no thanks, just start my download. You can click on this. I already download, so I will downloading. So when you download, then you find out in this downloading folder, this MySQL connector. So we use this for the connecting our database to our application. So I open my STS. So first of all, we are creating a project. The name of project I am writing here, like book. Okay. The name of project is book. So in this, you can see here, guys, a source folder is here. And in source folder, what we are creating here, we are creating a package. So I am creating a package, Jyani dot. Okay, package is created. After that, so we are put our MySQL and Java connector in the root folder of our Java applications, like in the book. So the location is same as the source. So how we can write here? So click on the book and new, then folder. Okay. So folder is created. The name of folder is lib, means library. So this is external library for the connecting the database to our Java application. So in library, now it is empty. So what we can do here, we are simply copy our MySQL connector. You can guys also connect externally, but this is a good practice to connect our connector in in the same route. Okay. So in the library, I simply paste here. Okay. So you can see here in the library folder, our connector is here. So I click on package and I creating a class. So the name of class is main. So after that, our class is created. So how we can connect our database to our application? So you simply click on the book, right click. After that, in the right click, you can see here build path. When you hover on the build path, then there are a option configure build path. Okay, first of all build path, then configure build path. After that, guys, there are some options: source, projects, folder exports, library. So you are click on libraries, class path, and if our connector is outside from our application, then you can use external jar and you can give the location of the connector. And now we are place our connector in our library folder. So we are simply add on jars. Then we are click on book. Then book is our application. In the lib folder, we know our connector is here. Simply click on this. Then okay. So this is here class path. MySQL connector 8.0.32.jar and simply apply and close. So now our database is connected to our Java application. So इस वीडियो में इतनी बात करेंगे. नेक्स्ट वीडियोस आई उसमें कुछ एप्लीकेशन भी क्रिएट करेंगे. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट गाइस. सो कुछ हेल्पफुल वीडियो हुई हो आपके लिए तो आप लाइक कर सकते हो. और मिलते हैं किसी न्यू वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.